Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem of this item isn't available in your country. Normally you find out that when you want to download an app or a game on Google Play Store, it will give you this notification error telling you that the item is not available for download in your country. They have their own reason why they did that. I don't know, but today I'm going to help you and show you how to do the process of solving this if you want to download a game or an app on Google Play Store. But before we continue, if you're new to this channel, I want you to please scroll down a bit and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell icon to be reminded or get notified for future amazing videos. We'll be using this game GTA as an example. It also means that if you can do it with this GTA, the process I'm going to show you now in doing this GTA game, you can do it for any other app. So let's just jump right into it. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon, share, like this video, and comment. Thank you. Let's go into it. So now you're going to first do something. We're going to disable it, so we're going to clear something on Google Play Store. Go to settings, go to apps and settings on your Android phone, go to Google Play Store. If you go to all the apps on your settings, find Google Play Store. As you can see, it's already here, so I'm going to click on it like this. So this is Google Play Store. Go to storage on Google Play Store, then you will find data on storage. Just clear data, click on clear data and click on OK if it asks you to click OK. So now what we're going to do is clear this Google Play Store here. The data of Google Play Store has been cleared. So now we're going to use a VPN, and the VPN we'll be using is Turbo VPN. As you can see, this is a Turbo VPN. You can download it on Google Play Store for free. There is no cost onto it. Just go to Google Play Store and type or search for Turbo VPN. You can find it. Just install it. So I already have it, so I'm just going to click on it. Turbo VPN as this. So now the Turbo VPN is going to open. It's open, so I'm going to start the connection of Turbo VPN so that it will be connected to a server. So let's just wait for the process. Okay, so now the Turbo VPN is connected. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back again and start Google Play Store, because Google Play Store has not been on. So we're going to start, go to apps again and click on Google Play Store so that it starts. Okay, so we're going to start Google Play Store. So let's just wait for the process. It is loading. It will be loaded very soon. Let's just wait for it to be open. Okay, the Google Play Store has been started again. You know that we clear all the data on Google Play Store. So now it has been started again in normal Google Play Store, but we're not going to search for the app on Google Play Store. We're not going to search for it on Google Play Store. So what we're going to do is we go to Chrome. Go to Chrome again, where we were. So this is Chrome. So you go to Google again on Chrome. Go to Google on Chrome. Search for the game again as we did. Search for it. Okay, I think it's already here because we were on the page, so it's loaded again. So what you're going to do now is the same link that we clicked on the start of the video. We're going to click on it again, which is this first one again, to take us to the Google Play Store link of the GTA San Andreas. So this solution can be used to fix any game. So just click on it, any game or app that you want to download on Google Play Store. So now as you can see, This is Google Play Store. It has been loaded. You can see open in store. If you want to open it here, the problem has been fixed. You can see open in store. You see now it's not telling you again that this app is not available in my country because the problem has been fixed. I've used a VPN to solve the problem, and the VPN I use is Turbo VPN. So this is the app which I can access on any. I can access. See, this is the GTA app. It has been opened. Or basically, if I want to, let me just say, okay, I find it again on Google Play Store. Say this is Google Play Store. Let me try to find. Okay, I think. Okay, this is the app. It's already there. So this is the app again. So you see, now it's not asking me or telling me that the app is not available in my country. So thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. As you can see, what we first, the page we are on, in the beginning of the video. Remember, at the beginning of the video, it was telling us that the app is not available in my country, but now it's available. If I want to buy the app, I can click on buy, or if it's not a paid for app, I'll just click on download. The app will be installed on my phone. This process or solution can be used on any app on Google Play Store that you want to download. And also another method, again, I will show you if you want to download anything on Google Play Store, but maybe you're finding difficult or you cannot go through this process I've just showed you. Just go to Google and type the name of the app again, then it will take you to other links. Just click on those links. I think it will help you to download. If there's any question, just post it on the description of this video, then I'll respond to them. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with friends and family, and also like the video and comment. Thank you very much. Till we meet again in next video.